Welcome to Auto Info Master. Today, we are diving into one of the most luxurious and prestigious cars in the world, the 2026 Rolls-Royce. A name that represents pure opulence, unmatched craftsmanship, and timeless elegance. The new 2026 Rolls-Royce isn't just a car, it's a statement of power, class, and elite automotive engineering. Whether you're a luxury car enthusiast or simply curious about what $500,000 gets you on four wheels, this video will walk you through the design, interior, performance, features, and pricing of this ultimate luxury machine. So, sit back and enjoy the world of Rolls-Royce. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2026 Rolls-Royce carries forward the brand's iconic design language, but with an even more modern and commanding presence. The front grille is the signature Pantheon design, now slightly wider and illuminated with soft ambient lighting that glows at night, enhancing its majestic look. Sitting proudly above it is the Spirit of Ecstasy ornament, crafted with crystal detailing and mounted on a retractable mechanism that hides it when the car is parked or locked. The laser LED headlamps have a futuristic geometric shape with diamond-cut detailing, offering outstanding brightness and visual clarity. The hood is long and sculpted, flowing into the clean, uninterrupted body lines along the side. The signature coach doors, also known as suicide doors, remain a key highlight, opening in a grand, effortless manner with power assistance. Chrome surrounds, flush door handles, and massive 21 to 23-inch wheels add to the bold road presence. At the rear, sleek vertical LED tail lamps with subtle chrome surrounds and integrated exhausts maintain that royal yet restrained appeal. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The cabin of the 2026 Rolls-Royce is a masterpiece. It's not just an interior, it's a personal lounge, a private jet, and a five-star suite all rolled into one. As soon as the doors open, the illuminated RR logo greets you, followed by the celestial headliner, which features a starlight sky with customizable constellations and even animated shooting stars. You can choose the night sky of your birth date or a custom pattern. The seats are wrapped in the finest hand-stitched leather sourced from only the best hides, with contrast piping and personalized embroidery. The wood veneers are real, polished by hand, and can be fully customized. From piano black to open-pore walnut to carbon fiber, every detail can be tailored. The dash features a minimalist design with a full-width glass panel housing the digital instrument cluster and an ultra-wide OLED infotainment screen. For rear passengers, the experience is taken to another level. Lounge-style seating with full recline function, massage, heating, and cooling is standard. A center console houses fold-out picnic tables and personal touchscreen controls. There's also a chilled compartment with crystal glasses and a champagne cooler. Rear seat entertainment includes dual 12-inch displays with wireless headphones and full internet connectivity. Laminated acoustic glass, nearly 100 kilograms of sound insulation, and active noise cancellation create one of the quietest cabins ever made. Under the hood, Rolls-Royce continues to offer its legendary 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, now refined for improved efficiency and cleaner emissions. It produces approximately 600 horsepower and over 900 newton-meters of torque, delivering smooth and effortless acceleration. Despite its massive size, the car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.6 seconds, a stunning figure for such a heavy luxury vehicle. The gearbox is an 8-speed automatic unit, but it's not just any transmission, it's satellite-aided. That means the system uses GPS data to predict road conditions and shift gears accordingly, ensuring the smoothest drive possible. The ride quality remains the benchmark in the industry, thanks to Rolls-Royce's Magic Carpet Ride suspension system. It uses air suspension, predictive sensors, and active dampers to glide over roads, adjusting to bumps and curves in real time. Handling is further improved with the addition of rear-wheel steering, providing better maneuverability in tight urban settings and greater stability at high speeds. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the rear, the driving experience is serene, smooth, and utterly silent. Technology-wise, the 2026 Rolls-Royce is loaded. You get advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, night vision with infrared sensors, and 360-degree cameras with augmented view. The infotainment system is powered by a Rolls-Royce exclusive software interface with haptic feedback and full voice control. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, over-the-air updates, and has a built-in AI assistant that learns driver preferences and habits. The sound system is nothing short of extraordinary. A 22-speaker bespoke audio setup is fine-tuned to the cabin's exact shape and materials, delivering an immersive sound experience that rivals premium home theaters. Ambient lighting can be customized with over 100 different hues and modes, and even reacts to music or mood settings. Customization remains the heart of the Rolls-Royce experience. Buyers can work with the bespoke division to personalize everything, from the exterior paint, which can be color-matched to any object on Earth, to the seat stitching, inlays, and even the dashboard clock. Some owners have embedded gemstones, precious metals, or family crests into their car's interior, and if you can imagine it, Rolls-Royce can build it. Now, let's talk about the price. The base price of the 2026 Rolls-Royce starts around $400,000. However, with customization and bespoke features, most units easily cross the $500,000 to $700,000 range. This car is not about affordability. It's about exclusivity, heritage, and individuality. It's a vehicle for those who view cars not just as transportation, but as art, status, and personal legacy. In conclusion, the 2026 Rolls-Royce is more than just a luxury sedan. It's a symbol of prestige and perfection. Every element of this car, from the powerful engine to the soft leather, from the glowing grille to the starlit ceiling, is designed to deliver the highest form of automotive excellence. For those who demand the best that money can buy, Rolls-Royce continues to be the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching Auto Info Master. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments, what would your dream Rolls-Royce look like? See you in the next video with more reviews of the world's most fascinating vehicles.